Hi, we're Team Connected Dice Rolling, a multidisciplinary senior design team in the Kate Gleason College of Engineering. We're working with Dr. DiBartolo to solve an online dice rolling dilemma.
The key goal of this project is to provide users with the experience of physically rolling dice while still having the ability to play online. This is accomplished by accurately transmitting the results of a physical dice roll to a computer for the user to view.
Our stakeholder is interested in a robust solution that allows the user to physically roll dice to play online games without clicking on a virtual button to roll it. Our stakeholder also desires a cool looking dice tray for the dice to be rolled into.
Our proposed solution was to use a sound sensor to trigger a camera to take a picture of a dice roll. The camera results were then transmitted to the computer. Image recognition algorithms were run on the camera data to identify which side of the dice is showing. Once identified, the dice type and dice number results were displayed to the user for their viewing.
This process of dice rolling takes place in our cool looking tray, which is designed as a dodecahedron die and is the colors of RIT. Our team expects to deliver a fully functional system to the customer.
One of our most challenging tasks has been the design of the tray and the integration of the entire system. Ensuring smooth coordination between components while maintaining usability has proven to be more complex than anticipated, but we are making steady progress toward a seamless solution.
We'd like to thank our client, Dr. DiBortola, and our guide, Dr. McCauley, for taking time to meet with us and giving us guidance while working on the project. Visit the project website linked on this page to see how the project turned out.